Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Lenovo ThinkVision X1A monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your monitor colors. At first we have to click this button to enter the settings menu, and here we have to scroll to the right to enter adjust image properties. As you can see, here we have to click the same button. And here the first option we can see is color. We have to enter OK. And here we have the preset mode. So let's at first enter preset mode. And here we have the neutral, bluish, reddish, sRGB, neutral. And as you can see, for example, let us set the bluish one. And this is the bluish preset. So let's enter our color settings again. And apart from the preset mode, we have the custom. Let us enter custom, and here we have the all the colors that our monitor has, which is RGB. We can modify the RGB value from 100% to, for example, 50. Let us set it to 50 to show you the difference. Okay, green. We can set it to this value, and blue to, for example, this value. And as you can see, this is it. That are all the settings that are from the color. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.